Hello, this is your host. Today we are going to talk about the amazing benefits of rosemary. What is rosemary? It is an evergreen herb with fragrant needle-like leaves that has a long history of use in medicine as well as in cooking. Rosemary is native to the Mediterranean region and it grows best in warm, dry climates. The plant can grow up to 1.5 meters tall and has a strong, woody fragrance. Its leaves are used to make rosemary oil, which is used in aromatherapy as well as in massage therapy. The oil is also sometimes applied directly to the skin for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. In addition, the leaves and stems of the plant are sometimes consumed as a tea or a supplement. So what are the benefits of rosemary? Well, first off, it can improve blood circulation. The camphor and 18-cineol compounds found in rosemary have been shown to improve blood flow to the scalp. This can help nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Additionally, rosemary has antibacterial properties that can help keep the scalp clean and free of dandruff. Another benefit of rosemary is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. The scent of rosemary is often used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and calmness. One study published in the International Journal of Neuroscience found that rosemary scent improved mood and reduced anxiety in participants. Additionally, the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine published a study showing that rosemary scent could reduce the effects of tension headaches when inhaled. Next, rosemary may help with digestion. Rosemary has been traditionally used to aid digestion and relieve stomach pain. A study published in the journal Phytomedicine found that rosemary extract could relax gastrointestinal smooth muscle and improve digestion. Additionally, rosemary is often used as a flavoring agent in cooking and its pleasant, herbaceous flavor can stimulate appetite and make meals more enjoyable. Moving on. Rosemary may enhance cognitive function. Several studies have investigated the effects of rosemary on memory and cognitive performance. One study published in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that rosemary scent improved memory and reaction time in participants. Another study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that rosemary scent improved cognitive performance and reduced fatigue in healthy adults. And here is a bonus benefit of rosemary: it can be used as a natural insect repellent. The strong scent of rosemary is not only pleasant to humans, but it can also be off-putting to insects such as mosquitoes and flies. One study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that rosemary extract was effective at repelling mosquitoes when applied to human skin. Next, let's talk about the different ways to use rosemary. First off, it can be used topically. Rosemary oil can be applied directly to the skin for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It is often used to treat minor cuts, scrapes, and bruises. Additionally, some people use rosemary oil as a natural deodorant. Inhaled rosemary scent can be enjoyed through aromatherapy diffusers or by simply smelling the leaves themselves. This can help promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety. Internally, rosemary leaves and stems can be consumed as a tea or a supplement. However, it is important to use caution when consuming rosemary internally as it can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea in high doses. Now let's talk about some precautions when using rosemary. As with any herb or supplement, it is important to use rosemary in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Rosemary oil should be diluted before applying it to the skin, and it should not be used on broken or irritated skin. Additionally, rosemary scent can be overpowering to some people, so it is important to use it in well-ventilated areas and avoid inhaling large amounts of the oil. Finally, pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult with their healthcare provider before using rosemary. There are many high-quality rosemary products available on the market. When choosing a product, it is important to look for one that is pure and organic. Some popular options include Badger Rosemary Mint Deodorant, Art of Suds Rosemary Mint Castile Soap, and Herb Farm Liquid Extract. In conclusion, rosemary is a versatile herb with a wide range of potential benefits, from improving blood circulation to reducing stress and anxiety and even acting as a natural insect repellent. Whether you use it topically, inhale it through aromatherapy, or consume it internally, rosemary can be a valuable addition to your health and wellness routine. Just be sure to use it in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Thank you for watching. See you next time.